The cleaning of precious metals in the U.S. can be traced back to the early to mid-1800s. This started with the precursors to the penny, half cents and large cents, which began production in 1793 at the Philadelphia Mint. Although the cleaning of precious metals is a controversial topic amongst enthusiasts, there are some tips and tricks that could help you safely restore and improve the appearance of your precious metals. First, you could always take the metals to a professional where they employ a variety of trusted cleaning techniques. Many professionals use ultrasonic cleaners to remove buildup on metals. Others use ionic and steam cleaners. In the 1920s, professionals used the dangerous compound potassium cyanide to clean metals. This process continued until it led to the untimely deaths of jewelers using this technique. Be wary of at-home remedies. There are many available, but some can be misleading and actually devalue your precious metals. That's why a certified proof coin, like this graded proof coin from PCGS, is permanently protected in a sonically sealed case and will never need cleaning. Loose proof coins, which contain a mirror finish, should never be touched except by holding the coin's edge. Finally, no polish, cloth, or solvent should ever be applied to a rare or valuable coin, as fine scratching and damage will occur. There are many techniques used to clean precious metals, but it's recommended to leave this process in the hands of the professionals. Call the number on your screen if you'd like to learn more about gold's place in history and gold's place in your portfolio. Make sure to subscribe to see more of our videos on various topics.